Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about CIT Group Bank, and more specifically, how you can order checks for CIT Bank. So first, just a little bit of background on what checks are. A check is a physical piece of paper linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are, I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your CIT bank account number on it and routing number. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your cell phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I already have the CIT website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply CIT.com. You can also check the description for the link to CIT Bank. The first way to order checks is going to be to log on to your CIT bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the Sign In button, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Almost the right corner, it's right next to the menu button. So you'll click on that, and then you'll click on Online Banking. That will then bring you to this screen here. Let me enlarge it a little bit, where you can enter your user ID and then click Continue, and that will then prompt you to put in your password. If you don't have a user ID and password, on the right side of that, there is a Not Enrolled Yet sign up link. You can click on that and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, go to Banking Options and Order Online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is by calling the customer service number for CIT Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your CIT debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the CIT website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky and to find and not so straightforward. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way that I'm going to talk to you about today to order your checks is going to be through third-party vendors. To do this, you're going to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for CIT Group Bank. I already have a tab open, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for CIT Group Bank, and what that's going to do is it's going to give you several options for third-party vendor websites where you can order your checks. So you've got Checks Unlimited, Bradford Exchange Checks, Carousel Checks, just to name a few examples of those kinds of websites. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact CIT Group bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the CIT Bank website or through customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded, so you'll have to provide those yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please check out the description for more information on CIT Bank.